Okay, dear students, now we will do 11b exercise. It's question number 3. Draw a line segment AB of length 6.4 centimeters. Bisect it perpendicularly. Mark the points of bisection by L. Now bisect AL perpendicularly at M. Measure AM. Okay, this question has two parts. First, we have to bisect AB, and then we have to bisect AM. Okay, then we have to bisect AL. These are two parts of this question. First we have to bisect AB, then we have to bisect AL. Let's do it. Steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment AB 6.4 centimeters. Students, you can see that using my scale I have done this line is 6.4 centimeters. Okay, and the name of line is A and B. Now with L as center, I have taken this center point L, and because AB is 6.4 centimeters and half of 6.4 is 3.2 centimeters, that's why I have taken L. This is 3.2 centimeters and this is point L. You can see this is exactly 3.2 centimeters. Point L is exactly at 3.2 centimeters because half of 6.4 is 3.2. That's why I have taken L as center. Now come on at the steps of and any suitable radius, draw an arc to cut AB at C and D. Now I have to take my compass and I have to take a suitable radius. What is a radius? The distance between pencil tip and the metal tip is called radius. Now I have taken radius of any suitable I have taken any suitable radius. This is a suitable radius and draw an arc. Look, I am drawing an arc which cut AB at 2 points. Now I will write the names of 2 points, and here points. What are the names of points? C and D. This arc is cutting this line AB at point, this is point C and this is point D. Okay, the point where the arc is cutting the line AB. Now let's do the third step. The third step is with C and D as centers with equal radii, draw two arcs to cut each other at Q with C and D as centers. Okay, now again I will take my compass and I will open it of any suitable radius. Now this is a suitable radius, and now taking C as center means that we have to place the metal tip at point C and we have to draw an arc. Okay, I'm doing again at point C and draw an arc. Then taking D as center means that we have to place the metal tip at point D and we will draw another arc. These two arcs cut each other at point Q. Okay, so this is point Q. Now what we have to do? Join Q to L. QL is produced in both directions to form QL. Now we have to join QL I have joined QL and now I will produce QL. This I have produced it. When we will produce it, QL will becomes a line, arrowheads. Before producing, QL is a line segment. After producing, QL is a line. So QL is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Now we have to, according to the question, now bisect AL perpendicularly at M. You can see this is AL. This is AL. Okay. This is AL. Now we have to bisect AL perpendicularly, and we have to bisect it at point M. For example, this is point M, and I have taken it this point in the center. Again, I will tell you that the total length of AB was 6.4. Then the length of AL is half of 6.4, that is 3.2. And then I have taken this point M, half of AL, and half is equals to 1.6. The half of 2, the half of 3 point, what is the half of 3.2? The half of 3.2 is 1.6. Yes, 1.6. So I have taken point M at a distance of 1.6 centimeters. You can see this is 1 mile. Right? Now we have to bisect AL at point M, and M is the center of AL. For this, I have written these steps of constructions. A bisection of AL perpendicularly at M. The first step is, steps are not clear. Okay. With M as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc to cut AL at point E and F. Okay. With M as center means that we have to place the metal tip at point M. Now this radius is not suitable. It is a big radius. The distance between the pencil tip and the metal tip. This is a suitable radius. This one means you have to take a smaller radius. This is a smaller radius and it's a suitable radius. Now we have to draw an arc like this, and this arc will cut AL at 2 points, and the names of points are E and F. This is point E and this is point F. Okay. Part 2 is, step 2 is, with E and F as centers with equal radii, draw two arcs to cut each other at R. Okay, with E and F as centers mean first we have to open our compass, then taking E as center we will draw an arc. I think this much is enough. We will draw an arc taking E as center, then taking F as center. We will draw an other arc. Both arcs will cut each other at point R. Okay, at point R both arcs will cut each other. Now the step number 3. Join R to M. RM is produced in both directions to form RM line. Look, this RM is line segment when we will not produce it. but when we will produce it, it will becomes a line. Before producing, it was a line segment. After producing, it will becomes a line. Now I will show you how. When we will join RM, this is a line. Now I will produce it like this, and arrowheads, it is now a line segment. Sorry, line. When there are arrowheads, now it is a line. Now step number 4 is measure AM. Now we have to measure AM using our scale, and AM is 1.6 centimeters. 1 point, sorry, yes, this is 1 minute. Is it 1.6? Yes, it is 1.6 centimeters. How it is 1.01? 1.2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bit longer line is 5 and the small line is 6, 1.6.